Okay, for 86, they give us two functions, f of x and g of x, and they want us to find a whole bunch of things. So let's do these. A, f of negative 5 equals 7 plus the absolute value negative 5, right? So that comes out to be 7 plus 5, right, which equals 12. So f of negative 5 equals 12 for A. For B, I'll do B up here. G of 4 equals 4 cubed minus 5, which equals 4 cubed is 1664 minus 5, which equals 59. So G of 4 equals 59. C, let's do C here. F of 0 equals 7 plus the absolute value of 0, which equals 7 plus 0. So f of 0 equals 7 for C. D, let's make some space. So D, f of 2 equals 7 plus the absolute value of 2, which equals 7 plus 2. So f of 2 equals 9 for D. For E, we have g of negative 2 equals negative 2 cubed minus 5, which equals negative 2 cubed is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. That's negative 8 minus 5. So g of negative 2 equals negative 13, right, for E. And then F, let me make space again. F is g of 0 equals 0 cubed minus 5. 0 cubed is 0, right? So g of 0 equals negative 5 for F.